So, I think we discussed about the awareness, right?
我们已经讨论过关于觉知，对吧？
There's another thing with us all the time.
还有一件事是跟我们一直同在的，
Do you know? Do you want to know that one?
想要知道那是什么吗？
So that one is love and compassion.
那就是慈心悲心
Not the normal we think about love and compassion.
不是一般我们想到说慈悲啊，
The normal love and compassion is very difficult to develop,
一般的这样一个慈悲心其实很难升起的，
especially people who you don't like.
特别是对你不喜欢的人。
That disturbing person, I don't want that disturbing person to be happy, you know.
这个很干扰我的捣蛋的人，我就是不想他快乐啊。
But innate love and compassion with us all the times.
但是这样一个本具的慈心悲心一直跟我们同在
But we need to recognize it.
只是我们需要把它认识出来。
So, should I introduce you?
要不要跟大家介绍一下这个呢？
How many of you want me to introduce you? Raise your hand.
想要仁波切为大家介绍一下这个本具的慈悲的举手。
Okay.
好
Now, introduction is finished.
介绍完了，
Understand or not?
明白吗？明不明白？
So, the innate love and compassion is the feeling of looking for happiness.
这种本具的慈悲，就是我们一直寻找着快乐。
Feeling of looking for happiness is love. Feeling or don't want to have suffering is compassion.
一直想要寻找快乐这种感觉，它就是慈心；一直想要避免痛苦的感受，那就是悲心。
The looking for happiness for yourself, self-compassion. Looking for happiness for others, compassion for others, love for others.
为自己在寻找快乐的，就是对自己的慈心；为别人想要找到快乐，那就是对他人的这个慈心。
Why you come here?
各位，今天晚上为什么到这儿来呢？
Looking for happiness, right?
就是来寻找快乐，对吧？
So I don't know how much happiness you get from here,
但不知道各位能够从这儿得到多少快乐了。
but thank you. But it's too late. You're here already.
但是呢，已经做那么久，太迟了啊。
But while here, I can see you're moving your body, sometimes like this, sometimes like this, sometimes like that, sometimes like this. Why looking for happiness?
看到各位坐在这儿这么久啊，这个姿势一直在变着，对吧？有时候这样，有时候那样，有时候这样，所有这些动作其实都代表着你在寻找着快乐。
So that feeling of wanting to be happy, don't want to suffer with us all the time. And of course, that feeling filtered by ignorance, craving, aversion, then become hatred, grasping, confusion, like that.
这样一直想要得到快乐的感受，是我们每个人一直都具备的，也一直想要避免任何的痛苦。但呢，这样一种本具的慈悲，它被某些东西遮蔽了，被我们的无明、贪着跟嗔恨给遮蔽了，因此它就变成了各种的嗔怒、各种的执着。
Basic level, all of us same. Everybody looking for happiness.
但在基本层面，我们每个人都一样，都是一直在寻找快乐的。
How many of you want to be happy? Raise your hands.
想要快乐的人，请举手。
Normally, everybody, of course.
当然，一般都是每个人都会举手的，对吧？
But
但是，
what makes you happy? Different.
但让你快乐的事物，每个人不一样。
For me, durian doesn't make me happy.
对仁波切来讲，榴莲就不会让仁波切快乐。
Maybe for you, maybe, yeah?
但对你而言是应该是的。
But there's a one thing which is if you discover, it makes you lasting happiness for everybody.
但是呢，有一件事情就是你能够找到一个让你持续都能快乐的，每个人其实都有这样一个能找到的东西。
So that is awareness, love and compassion, and the wisdom.
那就含有觉知、慈悲、智慧。
So we will wish this together now.
我们现在就一起这样做祈愿，
Wish you and all beings be happy and special causes of happiness. So what is the causes of happiness? To connect with awareness, love and compassion, and wisdom.
那我们现在呢，祈愿我们每一个人都能够得到快乐，以及快乐的因。快乐的因素是什么呢？就是跟觉知、慈悲、智慧连接上。
So please keep your spine loosely straight
好，请将你的后背轻松坐直，
and close your eyes
请闭上眼睛，
and feel your body.
去感受自己的身体。
and relax muscles in your body.
放松身体的肌肉。
And now listen to any sound of air condition or people coughing or anything.
接着去听着任何你能听到的声音，空调声，有人咳嗽声。
Now wish that may all of us be happy and have the causes of happiness.
接着去祈愿，愿我们每个人都能得到快乐，以及快乐的因。
May all of us free from suffering and the causes of suffering.
愿我们所有人都能远离痛苦以及痛苦的因。
Now please open your eyes.
现在，请打开眼睛，
Relax your mind, body for a few seconds.
就这样安住你的身心片刻。
Okay,
好，
thank you. So now